We love to focus on the fun parts of real estate, the custom kitchens, the beautiful homes, the fantastic neighborhoods. But the hardest part can be quite literally getting there. Today on Word of Mouth Nashville, I am introducing you to a very special all-female moving concierge.
My name is Bonnie Pack, and I am the owner of Finally Home Services, a moving concierge company located in Nashville.
Hi, Bonnie.
Hi. Thanks for having me today.
Thank you for being here. I'm so excited to have you with us.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
You are so unique. You offer a very high-touch, specialized, all-female team.
Mm-hmm.
How did you decide to do this?
7 years ago, I went through the process of listing my home, and it went under contract within 24 hours. The bad news is that the other one was too. Unfortunately, a week after that, I found out that I had thyroid cancer, and I was just like, okay, I'm now homeless. I don't have my health. I have 2 children. My husband travels. And so during that whole process of moving into a rental that had roaches the first night, also, going through the process of surgery and treatment. I mean, it was a lot, and
so much.
It was so much. But I had my ride or die girls with me during that time, and that was really just the basis of why I knew that this was something that other people needed. My mission is that we just love on people as much as possible, because this is hard. Moving is hard, and so if we can make that easier, then that is our job to do that.
I think that's so beautiful, because what you did was you created something that you needed, and now you can give that thing to other people, and that's it's gorgeous. So when you meet your clients and you're trying to get to know them, how do you get started? What do you do?
So our first step is to do an on-site consultation. It's complimentary, but I will personally go into a home, and my best statement for this is I want to know how layered someone is, and that is for better or for worse.
Get all the way in
That's
there.
right, that's right. And I do always ask, is there a place that you just don't want me to look? And, usually people are like, I'm an open book, but, we want to be respectful. And so during that consultation, I want to ask a lot of questions. Tell me the things that you are most stressed about. What are the logistics? All of the things that really allow us to map out A to Z the best plan for that client. And if we can kind of come in and be that person on the island for a client,
Pave the way.
yes, while they're at closing, we're at their house. We're getting things loaded on a truck, really orchestrating the whole experience.
Back it up for people who are just looking to get started.
Yeah.
Like, where can they go?
We have the capacity to serve 100 clients a year, but there are so many people that could use the information and the approach that we use. And so I now have an online course where people, if they're willing to put in a little elbow grease, they can go purchase this course. It will take them step by step on how to edit before they start packing, everything about timelines, how to order supplies, and I think the cherry on the top is just how-to videos on packing anything within a home. The reality of it is 80% of people move themselves. That is why U-Haul is killing it. And so if we can provide the how-to and the tools to get on the timeline, here's how you order your supplies, people can really have a successful moving experience.
Yeah.
And it doesn't have to just be like the dark hole that nobody wants to look in.
Yeah,
So
that's wonderful.
thanks.
Who is your Nashville word of mouth? So we love to share kind of our hidden gems, our hidden secrets.
Yes.
And I know you have one.
I do.
So who do you have?
My word of mouth Nashville is Elizabeth Brody-Waite's new company, Home CEO. High level, really what they do is a whole process of systems. They'll map out what your home maintenance schedule should look like for the whole year, what your car maintenance schedule looks like, replenishing your pantry and your kitchen, having all of that things basically on automation. One of the ways that she kind of tees it up, she's like, I want to take away those paper cuts that are in people's brain. One of the things that she has shared with me is that moms in particular spend 4.5 hours per day on planning what's for dinner, planning grocery outings, all of those things. And so her mission is to take away those mental paper cuts and to take that off somebody's plate.
That's so special.
I know.
That's so special.
That's what I say about her. She's really
so
special. She is.
Yes. Last piece, most
Yes.
importantly, how do people contact you?
The best way to find us is to visit finallyhomeservices.com. It's a great website where you can learn all about our team. You can email an inquiry. That is really the best foundation as far as finding us. And that is also where you can link up to learn more about the online course.
You've been so much fun. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for
I'm gonna
having
hug you.
me. Yes. Oh my goodness. Well, I love you to pieces, and this was an honor.
Yay.